This apartment has a full basement. This is just like a recreational space. It has a half bath, it's wired for cable, you've got tons of outlets. If you live upstairs and you wanted to make a home office, a TV room, a lounge, or all of the above, you have enough space for that. This is in Williamsburg. Upstairs, you have a really nice 3-bedroom with tall ceilings and a private yard. You have a full kitchen with a dishwasher, stainless steel appliances. You have a full bathroom right here with a nice deep tub. Did I mention how tall the ceilings were? Each bedroom fits a queen bed with a closet and its own temperature control. The yard is the full width of the building. And this room has double doors. So if you didn't want to use it as a bedroom, you can use this as an extension of your living room with access to the yard. Recessed lighting, Bluetooth speakers, brand new construction. Here's that second bedroom. And your temperature control is right here. You have a nice closet and a pretty nice bathroom.